Vinod's team. Yeah, Vinod
Yes.
Kumar and Vinod Raj is here. So they are doing
Yes.
this Automate text. Yeah. Hi guys. So I will put the unique ID here for the juries to, use it. 1 second. So it's CBH-T049. So the team name is Automate X. So yeah, guys, you can proceed with your presentation. Yeah.
Yeah, sure. Thank you. So good morning, everyone. So my team name is Automatics. So first of all, thanks for giving this opportunity to present. So I would like to provide an overview of the performance dashboards that we have developed. So I will quickly complete why we built it, and then my teammate Vinod Raj will showcase how it actually works. So the main purpose of tools is to simplify performance monitoring for large teams and brings more transparency for users and make productivity and quality tracking much faster and more actionable. So instead of waiting till the month end for the reports, this dashboard gives us the daily visibility into productivity, quality, attendance, and top performance. So it is helping both leaders and team members take timely actions. So here are the 5 main reasons we developed this tool. So with, for example, if the team members 50 plus or 100 plus, it's become practically difficult to manually track productivity, quality, and efficiency for every individuals. But this tool helps to consolidate view of all the users and projects in one place. The second one is time-consuming month-end process. So currently at the month-end, we spend a lot of time to collect the individual users' data and calculating DMX data. So by using this dashboard, we can simply download the data and send the DMX for approval on time. And third one is daily tracking much simply. So the dashboards enable daily tracking for user-wise trend and project-wise performance trends. So leaders can immediately identify the gaps in productivity or quality, and users also can see where they stand in every day. And fourth one is transparency for users. So one of the most important benefits is transparency. So each user can view their own daily data, attendance, like attendance, quality, and productivity. So this allows them to take corrective action on same day instead of waiting for month-end review. And final one, so encourage healthy competition. So finally, we are motivating team to dashboard highlights the top perform list. This creates healthy competition among users to maintain and improve their performance. So this is the main reason we are building this dashboard. So over to Vinod Raj to showcase the demo.
Yeah, thanks. So hi, yeah, good afternoon all. So I'll be showcasing the screen now. So this is our performance dashboard which we created, Performance 360. As Vinod said, we are working in the multiple projects. We have 3 different projects in which we are working now. So each project has 2 to 3 different types of tasks where all the tasks has different target and different quality metrics. So we have created this dashboard, combine all the data in one single view. In this, we can view our daily performance report based on the projects. We can view all the performance report here in the dashboard. So we can view overall project wise also in this dashboard. We can see the daily trend here, where we are standing on first week, where we are and where we are now. And we can see the productivity report in the what is the target we have set and what is the actual we have met and what are the deficit number we have. So we can view overall project here and we can view the single project details also in this dashboard. So I have selected my one of the project here. So I can see my daily trend where we are standing at, and what are the total target till now. What are the total target we have set, and what is the actual productivity we have achieved, and what is the deficit numbers we have here. And even we can see the quality trend also here from starting from the day one. And we have this late mark champions. We are tracking this to check how many users are logging in on the exact time. For example, we have the shift time around 9 o'clock or 9:15. The user should be in the floor before 9:15. If they are coming beyond 9:15 minutes, it will be updated in this dashboard. So we can see how many days that they have the date login details. We can see in this dashboard. So after that, we can see the user-wise performance also. So in this tab, we can see the user-wise report. What is the target for the day one, and how many, what is the actual productivity they have achieved, and what is the quality target, and what is the quality actual they have achieved, and the overall efficiency we can see here. And we can even filter it out for the single users data also here. So here I can get the single users data up to date. What are the total target we have given to them, on what is the actual numbers they have achieved, and the overall efficiency also here. And finally, I'm moving to the DMAX dashboard. Here we can get the overall DMAX data. This helps us to it consumes less time, because usually in the month end we sit for 1 or 2 days to take the DMAX data of the overall users. When we track it on the daily basis, it will be easy for us to get the DMAX data on the month end. So yeah, here I can filter it out for the single user, and I can see her up to date, up to 25th, what is the productivity target she has, and what is the productivity actually she has achieved, and what is the quality percentage, and what is the exact login time she has, and her attendance, and finally her monthly DMAX score and the DTRAC score here. And we have set the daily schedule report. Automatically, we have set the daily schedule report to share the details to the project managers or team leads. So automatically, the report will be delivered to the concerned person's mails on the standard time. So this, I'll be showing you yesterday's report. This is the yesterday's report which we have received. So like this, the project managers or the team leads will be getting the daily reports on the scheduled time. So that's it from my end, Vinod.
Yeah, thank you, Dr. Just click. So this is the main reasons which tools reduce the manual effort. So provide daily actionable insights So ensure transparency and motivate our team to perform better.
Can you speak a little
that's it.
loudly? We can't hear you, Vinod.
So now it's better?
Yeah, it's better. Yeah.
Yeah, that is our end. So basically these ones mainly reduce manual effort, provide daily actionable insight and ensures transparency, so, and motivate our team members to perform better. Yeah, thank you. And we would happy to hear the feedback.
So I joined a little late. So this is Ravi here. So what is where is the AI coming into this entire dashboard? Is this a macro tool or what is it?
So in front end, we are working at Google Lucas Studio, and back end, we are using the Google Sheet app script.
Sorry, backend you're using what? Google
Sheet.
Google Sheet.
Ah.
So Google Sheet is essentially an Excel sheet, if you have to, right? And how is it, so Google Sheet, and what is the other tool you are using?
Google Lucas Studio.
Lucas Studio.
It is still Google. Okay. Now, while this is a nice dashboard, I'm sure it is going to serve the purpose for ops, but I don't think there is too much of an AI angle coming in here, right? Are you using any tool which is going to interpret the data, do some slice and dice and throw some numbers or interpretation? Or is it just a dashboard that it's just an Excel sheet you're putting in a tabular, from a tabular format, you're converting that into a graphical format? Right? There's nothing else that I can at least see in this. Hello, Gangashri. I just joined late, but I hope my understanding is right.
Yes, you are right. So we did allow them to use the Google Suite, but yeah, I believe they might have taken. Are you using Google Scripts or anything like that? I mean, how is your backend automated? Anywhere that's automated, or what you guys are doing? So we okay. Yeah.
Yeah, backend we are using Google Sheet.
Okay, so I mean, the data that you get, does it fetch from HRMS? For example, you guys said that you identify who are punching in late. I mean, who start working late and all that. So do you have any automation there, like using any tools like Make or something like that, or?
No, we track it in the Google Sheet itself.
So they will have to do it manually with something like that.
Well, they're maintaining device performance sheet. So we are using backend the app script. So consolidate all the device data into the main one sheet.
Okay, so anywhere you guys are using the AI tools that we suggested. So we did list few tools, right? You have any AI part here? I mean, what is the use of your AI tools like ChatGPT or something? I mean, how did you guys use that? No, I'm just asking. So we did, I mean, for example, did you use ChatGPT for generating your app script, or I mean, what was the use of the AI tools here? So
we were using the ChatGPT for the app script.
So you did have apps. That's what I'm asking. What AI tools you guys used for this project? That's the only thing. Yeah.
ChatGPT.
Okay. So I think, Ravi, I think they have used ChatGPT just for code generation, but there's no AI part in their demo as of now. Hello, Ravi, can you hear me? You're there. So I think they're using only ChatGPT. So I don't think they're using any other tools as of now.
So first time we are creating these tools. For upcoming version, we will try to add it.
Okay, got it. Okay.
So can you guys hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you now.
Yeah. No, I was asking, Vinod, which process or which team are you guys from?
Sorry, we can't hear. Yeah.
Which team are you guys from? Which team? Which process? Which location? Which team?
Our process from Kollu Center.
Oh, you guys are from Kollu. So
Yes.
I think, see, you guys are on the right track. So let me just mention that to you. You guys are on the right track, but whatever you guys have created is very basic, right? But it's a good start. So the expectation from this activity is for you to use some extensive AI tool,
Okay.
which will go beyond converting data from a tabular format to a graphical format and throw some insights and some interpretations. So I think you need to go to the next level. So what you've done right now is a good work on the foundation, right? So you need to build on this. If you have to, yeah. So explore certain other tools which are available and build on this, because what is going to happen after this data is very important, right? Because maybe the people who are going to use this dashboard could be an SME or could be a team leader who is not well versed with data, who does not know how to interpret data. So that's where your AI will come into place, where it is actually throwing those insights also, which is going to increase the comprehensibility of your team members, right? So yeah, but good stuff. But you need to build on it. It doesn't really qualify for what we are looking at. But I'm sure with the kind of approach and the thought process you all have, you all will definitely be able to get that.
Sure.
So thanks for your feedback.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's a wonderful effort, guys. I mean, as you mentioned, it's a wonderful effort. I think you just started using ChatGPT and all that. Yeah, hope we see more creations from your team. Thank you so much. Yeah. So
Thank you.
any other listeners have any questions to this team?
We have Mr. Mohan here. Can you hear me?
Yeah, hi, Mohan. We can hear you. Yeah. Go ahead, yeah.
So this is a good one. Actually, we are first step of solving that manual work of performance metrics and everything. So this is one fine, but as Ravi said, we don't have any AI automations in that project. So can we implement all the project? This is question mark. Only they showcased, right? And these are process one. So we have a lot of projects. So how we are, sync with the Google spreadsheet. So there is some, limited access to the cells, number of cells in the spreadsheet. Again, we are moving to the other backup database. That is one thing. So that is going to get to. Then automation kind of thing. Suppose someone or list of people continuously, log in the late 9:30 or 9:40. So some kind of prediction should be highlighted to the project manager. This user, this kind of from the project. So limited people or certain people are continuously logging in the late time. That can be take a corrective action or any suggestions that could be help us to that. I mean, the project manager to take a corrective action the right way. These suggestions I suggest to the team, so they can look over from their basic implementation from the project. Two things. One is to check the alternative database to involve. Suppose we are implemented to across the basic door. Definitely 1,400 people are daily basis or weekly, monthly. Definitely we need some huge number of cells are required to store the database, right? And whatever informations. Second one is what kind of suggestion or predictions to the next week or next month, how the team can achieve anything, even login, logout, right? These two things I suggest to the team to think over this implementation.
Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. So anybody else have anything? I think then that's it. So thank you team. Thank you Automatex for your wonderful presentation. So thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you Vinod Raj. Thank you Vinod Kumar. Yeah, thank you. So now we have our next team from Kapu. So CBH-T050 Magic Squad. Guys, are you here?
Hi everyone.
Hi Abhishek. Yeah, hi.
Yeah, this is Abhishek from Kapu team. So the issue is the team captain of the Magic Squad. She faced some issues, so she won't be able to join the call. So on behalf of her, I'll be presenting the application.
Okay, so Abhishek, you will be presenting today, right?
Yes, I'll be.
Sure. You can go ahead. Yeah.
Oh, thank you. So I'll just, the team name is Magic Squad and the project which they have worked is AI Escalation Tracker. Okay. 1 second. So AI escalation is basically done to track the repeated errors. So usually we get the escalation from the clients where we need a tracker where we can note all the escalations and document it somewhere. So usually when we do it in the normal Excel sheet, we find it difficult to like segregate based on the complexity of the escalations. So the definition of this is in the Zomato process, like escalations arise frequently from issue like maybe delay in building the menu digitization or repeated errors or some kind of system slowness, and maybe there will be some confusion in the SOP guidelines. So currently escalations are tracked in scattered formats, like we have the escalations in email format as well, in the spreadsheets, as well in the Slack chats as well. So it's kind of difficult for us to identify the root causes and assign it to the resolution owners and monitor these repeated patterns or repeated patterns. So without a structured system, like issues might get lost and resolutions might be delayed. So this will usually affect our SLAs as well as the client trust with us. So that's the reason we have built this escalation tracker. I'll just present my screen, and we have a video which will explain the proper working condition of the application. Just give it 2 minutes. Let me know if you guys can see my screen.
Yes, Abhi.
Okay, I'll just play the video. Let me know if the audio is audible as well.
Welcome to Escalate AI, your smart.
Is the audio audible?
Yes, Abhi.
Okay, thank you.
Platform for managing and tracking operational escalations in real time. Problem definition. In Zomato operations, escalations arise frequently due to digitization, delays, repeated errors, system slowness, or SOP confusion. But today, escalations are tracked in scattered formats like emails, spreadsheets, and chats. This makes it difficult to identify root causes, assign resolution owners, or monitor repeat patterns. As a result, issues get lost, resolutions are delayed, and both SLAs and client trust are affected. Proposed solution Escalate AI solves this by providing a centralized system for logging, analyzing, and resolving escalations. Team leads and ops managers can log issues directly, while AI categorizes them by urgency, detects root cause patterns, and suggests or assigns resolution owners. Core features include a central escalation form to capture issue category, description, and impact. AI-powered analysis that classifies problems under process, tool, resource, or SOP. Urgency detection low, medium, or high. Smart recommendations for assigning owners, team leads, trainers, or tech support. A visual board to track all escalations, statuses, and tags in real time. Optional auto alerts for critical or unresolved cases. Now let's see Escalate AI in action. On the main screen, you'll see escalations grouped by status, new, in progress, and resolved with timestamps and concise summaries. Examples include SOP confusion, slow system performance, digitization backlogs, and checkout errors, each clearly tagged with urgency levels. To log a new escalation, simply select a category such as digitization, errors, system, SOP confusion, or other. Next, choose the impact level, low, medium, or high. The AI then classifies, prioritizes, and recommends the right owner to resolve the issue. With Escalate AI, your team stays informed, focused, and proactive. It ensures faster resolutions, fewer repeat issues, and stronger client trust. This is Escalate AI, simple, structured, and smart escalation management. Thank you.
Okay, thanks everyone. So this was the presentation.
So Abhishek, so given that you're not the primary guy who's worked on this, will you be able to take all the questions?
If you can like shoot out some questions, I'll try my best to answer it.
So I have one fundamental question which is related to operations.
Okay.
Now, by the virtue of using this tool,
Mhm.
what is the benefit that you will start?
I'm sorry, your voice is not audible.
By the implementation or usage of this tool,
Mhm.
what is the benefit you will reap?
We usually get many types of escalation from the client. If I have to like segregate them, usually we get escalation telling that some prices for the items has not been updated. And sometimes we get the tags like veg, non-veg has not been updated. And sometimes we get some items were missing from the menu itself. So here, what we'll do is we usually categorize these price and tax, veg, non-veg errors as the priority one. I mean, that is comes under like higher escalation level. And these items missing, one or the two items missing, or the categorization error, this we usually tag as not high priority escalations. So based on this, when we like collect all the escalation in a sheet, and then we'll try to like go back to the client telling that we have received these many escalations, but in these escalations, the majority impacted escalations are less or more. So we need to bifurcate all these errors in such a way that when we present it to the client, we can like easily tell them that if out of the 10 escalations, the 7 or 8 escalations were less impacted escalations. So when we do all this documentation in the spreadsheet, right, we won't be able to know, like we need to look into each things because the escalation comes us by different channels, emails, sometimes they'll highlight it in the Slack as well. So using this tool, we can like sort it out and we can keep all the escalations under one platform. So whenever we select any high priority escalation, we'll get all the details, and the low priority will get all the escalation details. So that's the easiest way to like segregate all the escalations which come to us. That's the main reason of building this app.
So you mean to say the tool will help you to consolidate your escalations and with ease, and then share it with client. Is that the only utility?
Exactly.
So without the tool, how are you guys doing it in the current setup?
Currently, we usually get the escalations in the email, right? So we will keep those in the emails itself and the Slack in the Slack itself. And sometimes when we are on the meet with the client, they can highlight some IDs there itself. And what exactly currently the client is doing is they maintain a tracker where they'll not add all the escalations. They ask us to like maintain some from our end as well. So when they are presenting the escalation tracker, there might be some IDs missing in the sheet as well. So we do not have the proper. They usually like keep the IDs which are highly impacted. They will omit these low impacted and tell us that we usually commit these major errors. So that's the reason if this tool is implemented, like we can tell them that all the escalations which we received has been documented here in the tool. So these are the impact level, the percentage we can directly give them. Currently, we need to like scroll through all the emails, all the Slack threads as well. I'm sorry? I'm sorry, your voice is too low to hear.
Now, once you implement the tool, how will the tool pick up the escalations from your email and other channels like Slack?
We need to manually input it to the tool.
So then there's not much of a difference, right? It's as good as putting it in an Excel sheet and running a pivot.
I'm sorry, still your voice is not that audible.
No, can you hear me now, Abhishek?
Yes, I can.
So you mentioned that you still have to manually input the escalation details in some kind of format or in the tool directly, right?
Mm-hmm.
So that's still being done manually, isn't it?
Yeah, that is manually, but finally we'll get all the reports at once, right, in the tool itself. So
But you can put that in Excel sheet and put a pivot also. So why do you need for that? That's my point.
Okay, you
This
want
is
to
giving
say,
it a jazzy and a flashy name and a tool. The same outcome can be achieved in a simple Excel sheet. The only difference is it may not look as flashy and as jazzy.
yeah, I agree, but only thing is we can take out the reports of the impact levels and all, right, at once.
There's
If
nothing
you have
you can
to
take out that an Excel cannot do. That's my point, right? See, because your tool can only consolidate and give you slices and dices of escalation. It is not telling you how to reduce escalation. It is not helping you to reduce escalations. It is only telling you where is the escalation happening. It is not even telling you why the escalation is not happening. Let me put this this way. Can the tool tell you why the escalation has happened? Why as in the root cause, not the reason for escalation? It cannot tell you. Can the tool tell you how the escalation can be solved or prevented from recurring?
No, it won't, but we can add that enhancements maybe in the future.
That's exactly what I wanted you to think about, right? Because again, it is just an Excel data in a very, very flashy way you're showing it as an AI. To me, it doesn't really look like an AI. And I will tell you something, Abhishek.
Yeah.
So escalation tracker is a fundamental tracker that every BPO, every call center is supposed to maintain. It's a different thing in Zomato, you guys are not maintaining. And now you're looking at some tool to do the assistant work for you. But definitely this doesn't meet the kind of expectation the organization has from a hackathon standpoint, at least. While the effort, the tool, all of that is there, but it's very, very primitive and very, very basic.
Right. I'll definitely take this feedback.
So what you need to look at is, I want you to build on this, Abhishek. So your tool should be able to throw intelligence as to why is this happening? Why is it not the reason, not the category? Why did your error happen? Is it a negligence from the coordinator or whatever you call them as a user? Right? So that's the level of RCA sentiment analysis is what you need to embed in this. And then you talk about consolidation of the code. And the next level or the third level or the last leg should be, how do you prevent it? That is what a wholesome tool is supposed to cater. I think the day you're able to reach there, I think is the day when we can definitely give a pat on your back.
Yes, agreed, Eddie. I totally noted down your points. I'll definitely come up with a better app next time.
Right. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
So Abhishek, I just have one question. So you mentioned that, depending on the escalation, their priority and all that, AI will automatically assign it to TLs or to people in appropriate designations, right? So, so how have you designed the prompt? So I'm just asking from a technical perspective. So you are, what model you guys are using, and have you given anything to Gemini to decide on that? Any factors? Have you, you have designed that?
No, we have created this using Firebase only.
Okay, no, that I understand. So you're using Gemini to, you mentioned that you use AI to assign it automatically to TLs, right? Am I right?
Yes,
you mentioned that, right? Yeah, okay, got it. So in that case, any criteria, how does it assign? So depending on the ranks or JDs or any criteria that you guys are using for that?
Let me check 1 second.
So is it like TL gets this priority, or how do you guys rank that? How do you rank which, no, I'm just asking if you can answer, it's fine.
No, I got it. But even I'm like not very sure about it. So
Okay, no problem. Yeah. Thank you, Abhishek. Yeah, no problem.
Thank you.
But it's a good effort. It's a great effort. I mean, you guys are thinking in the AI perspective. That's really nice.
Thank you so much.
Okay. So any other questions from the listeners or other jury members? Srilekha, you have anything to add?
No, Ganesh.
So anybody else, you guys have any questions for this team? So one more thing, Abhishek, so you're not connected to the backend as of now, is it? Right now, is it working on the dummy data or?
Exactly. No, we have not connected it to the backend.
Okay, got it. We couldn't hear you. Hello, anybody?
Abhishek, are you saying anything?
No, we have not connected it to the backend. It's currently it's a dummy data.
Okay. Srilekha, I think Ravi, do you have anything to share? I think his voice is not audible.
No, I'm okay. I'm good. I think, Abhishek, like I said, you need to really look at the entire funnel end to end. And that's when the scaling and the utility aspect is really going to make a difference. The other part for everybody who presented and who is going to present. So don't look at this purely from getting an award for hackathon and so on and so forth, because some of these projects we also want to go back and position it to the clients, right? Not only to your clients, but also to some other clients. It could be for a new sale that we are going out there in the market getting new clients. And it could be for some other cross-selling for an existing client from different industry altogether. So that's where we are kind of being a little more stringent in terms of expectations, right? As to what is it really going to make heads turn in the market. So that's where we are evaluating the relationship. But for
yes, definitely.
You guys are on the right track, like the industry told. It's a great way of getting your mind oriented towards what we want to achieve, but we still have a long way to go.
Yeah, we'll just change our perspective and we'll come back with the new idea for sure.
So thank you, Abhishek. Thank you for your wonderful presentation. Yes, thank you, team. Yeah. So thank you, everyone. So I think that 2 teams for this session is done. So you guys can leave and we'll catch back at 1:30. So we have 2 more teams at 1:30. So thank you. Special thanks to the jury members for spending their time helping us judge and all that. Thank you so much. Thank you, Ravi. Thank you, Srilekha. Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you also. We have another session at 1:30. Okay. So we'll have 2 teams at that time, creating automated Harley count tracking and smart HR calendar. So we're going to have both the team from Kollu. So team, please don't miss it. Try to join at 1:30 back. So see you soon. Bye.
Yeah. Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye.
Thanks, everyone. Bye.